Hello, and welcome to Destined Beyond Belief. Today, we're gently exploring forest grounding affirmations to root your calm. Find a comfortable place, sit or stand with your feet on the floor, and take a slow, nourishing breath. Imagine the peace of a quiet forest surrounding you as you let these affirmations settle into your body and spirit. Allow each phrase to root you more deeply into calm and presence. I am rooted like an ancient tree. I breathe in calm and breathe out tension. I feel steady and grounded in my body. I am connected to the earth's supporting energy. My roots grow deep and hold me secure. I release worry and find peaceful presence. I am nourished by the wisdom of the forest. My mind is quiet like a still woodland pond. I stand grounded in my inner strength. Nature's stability anchors my spirit. I welcome the slow, steady rhythm of the earth. My body is calm and my heart is at ease. I am balanced like moss upon a stone. I trust the grounding power within me. I draw peace from the soil beneath my feet. I allow myself to slow down and simply Pinda. My breath syncs with the gentle pulse of the earth. I am supported by the invisible roots of life. Each step I take is steady and intentional. I feel safe, present, and deeply rooted. I let go of scattered energy and return to center. The forest's calm fills my mind and body. I am anchored in my truth and purpose. Stability grows within me every day. I absorb the healing energy of trees. My foundation is strong and resilient. I am present, grounded, and fully alive. Peace flows through me with every breath. I find rest and renewal in stillness. My spirit is calm, steady, and centered. I stand firm through life's changing seasons. I trust my inner guidance like a quiet trail. The earth's grounding energy restores my balance. I am deeply connected to my body and breath. I release tension and invite serenity. I am nourished by the roots of my being. The calmness is my natural state. I move through life with steady grace. I am anchored in love, light, and presence. My heart beats in harmony with the earth. I find strength in silence and solitude. I am present to the simple beauty around me. Grounded energy flows through every cell of my body. I stand tall, rooted, and peacefully aligned. I trust the process of my own growth. I welcome grounding clarity into my mind. Nature's calm settles into my bones. I am centered, balanced, and whole. I carry the forest's peace within me always. I am rooted in calm, steady, and free. Thank you for spending this peaceful moment with us. Take one final deep breath and feel the steady support beneath you. If these forest grounding affirmations helped you find calm, please subscribe to Destined Beyond Belief. Like this video, share it with someone who could use a moment of grounding, and leave a comment with your favorite affirmation. Thank you for joining us. May you carry this rooted calm into your day.